Hello and welcome back to another in-depth weather video. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Here I am on the National Weather Service page. We still have those red flag warnings and still a critical risk in the northwest. We also have some severe weather and flash flood related watches, warnings, and advisories. Those are the two big things that stand out to me. Also some heat advisories too. But let's move on to the radar. So we still have many showers and thunderstorms in the central part of the country and in the Rocky Mountains. The system that was moving through the northeast has almost made it all the way through into the Atlantic Ocean. And there's also a few showers and thunderstorms in Florida. Let's move on to the satellite imagery. So we can see some of those thunderstorms. This big plume correlates to this cluster of thunderstorms here, and this one refers to here. So other than that, you have that system that's moving in Canada, and most of that has moved out of the northeast, except for maybe parts of Maine. Yeah, a little bit of Maine there. So another system in the south there, and we'll watch this system as well, because there is a chance in 5 days something in the tropics forms out here. 20% chance there. But on the NAM model, we will see something. So let's go on to the NAM model. Kind of going a little unorthodox today, but let's go into the models. So a couple things that I want to focus on today. First of all, that system in the northeast is moving out. Showers and thunderstorms in the southern part of the country. And then we see this low pressure here, and this line of thunderstorms, well, this line of showers moves through, and then behind it we get much colder air and some snow. So first snow of the 2020-2021 winter season. Well, technically not winter season, but snow season. So that is exciting. But that system that we were watching in the Gulf right now is going to move over Florida, and then this low pressure forms, and we could see some tropical development out of this. And it forms right about over here, and you can see it has a very short window of time to develop, but the NAM is showing it developing. Some more thunderstorms here as well. Let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center. We have slight risks today and marginal risks as well. Slight risks in Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Grand Isle, Nebraska, and Kearney, Nebraska. Marginal risks in Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, Omaha, Nebraska, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tornado, 2% chance in a few spots. Wind, 15% chance in slight risk and 5% chance in marginal risk. And pretty much the same thing for hail. So now let's move on to the excessive rainfall outlook. Few areas of slight risk as well as a few areas of marginal risk. Slight risk in North Dakota and Minnesota. Slight risk in the Tennessee River Valley and the Ozarks. And slight risk in Arizona and California. So if you're in a marginal risk, you have 5 to 10% chance of exceeding flash flood guidance, and if you're in the slight areas, you have a 10 to 20% chance of the same thing. Now let's move on to the fire weather outlook. So we do have two critical risks, one in Montana and another in Washington and Oregon. So we do have some large population centers: Yakima, Washington; Missoula, Montana; Kennewick, Washington; Great Falls, Montana; and Richland, Washington. So let's move on here to the National Hurricane Center, where we do have two disturbances currently, one with a 20% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours and 30% chance in 5 days, and another one with 40% chance in 5 days, little to no chance in 2 days. East Pacific, nothing. Central Pacific, we have one disturbance that has a near 0% chance in 48 hours, 5%. 5 days has 20%. Now, if you look at the 5-day outlook in the Atlantic. You see this disturbance here. 20% chance in 48 hours, 30% chance in 5 days. So this is what we're seeing on the NAM, and this is what I'm going to be watching for the next couple of days, because that could have some impacts on North Carolina, possibly some rip current, maybe a little bit higher wave swells. But then we also have this disturbance here, which I've seen have a little bit higher of a chance of development than these other storms. Definitely have to watch the tropics over the next few days. I hope you like this new format of video, doing the model a little bit earlier. If so, comment in the comment section down below. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.